Hey, can we be candid? Are you a little bit worried about your own health issues? Are you starting to experience some symptoms? Maybe your own neck and back, maybe your wrists, elbows, tendinitis? Are you starting to get worried that you're not going to be able to continue to do the work that you love for years to come? Well, that was me several years ago. I started out studying kinesiology early on, but then I put it on the shelf because I had developed a following of people who really like the deep tissue, the sports type massage. So I just kept doing what I was used to. But eventually, it caught up with me, and my own body was giving me signals saying, hey, back off, too much. So then I pulled out my kinesiology books, and I started to study the kinesiology again, and I took more levels, and I got really confident with my ability to muscle test. I incorporated this into my private practice. I had been using it at home with my kids because I had a son who had multiple food allergies, and there were lots of different techniques that I could use on my kids when they would have headaches, tummy aches, bumps and bruises. There was a lot of cool stuff there, but I wasn't using it in my private practice until my own body started breaking down. So I ended up taking several different kinesiology workshops through the years. And what I did in the last 8 years is I took my favorite techniques and I compiled them into a special 3-day workshop where I teach you how to save your body, how to save your hands by working smarter instead of harder. This is based on the Chinese model that says all disease begins in the body's energy system before symptoms actually show up in the body. So I'm going to teach you how to work with the body's energy system. I'm going to teach you how to muscle test and discover what's below the waterline. Some of the techniques that you're going to use are called neurovascular holding points, and those are points primarily on the head, and they have connections with troubling emotions and pretty much stress in general. I'm going to also teach you how to work with the body's lymphatic system, meridians, Tibetan energy. I'm also going to teach you how to balance gait reflexes, and that's going to help your clients improve their sports performance. I'm going to teach you how to accurately muscle test the body for food sensitivities, and then you get to learn a correction to desensitize the body. I'm going to teach you in the last module how to do self-muscle testing and how to apply all the techniques that you've learned to use on your clients, how you can use those on yourself. You know, a therapist is only as good for your clients as you are healthy your own self. You've got to be grounded, centered, balanced, and you have to do your own work. I'm Terry Kaus, and I'm excited that this fall I get to teach live, finally. Woohoo! I'm going to teach you in 3 days how to use a plethora of different techniques that are going to give you long-lasting results for your clients. And it's also going to be easy on your own body. Be healthy, be well, and be balanced. I'll see you in a fall workshop.